So guys, today I got my ice stunt motorcycle slip on half exhaust system muffler pipe for my Kawasaki Ninja 400, and it fits a 2018 to a 2021, and it's a full glossy black. It sells for about $105.99, and it's sold by U Power. I will be installing it today on here. It doesn't come with instructions, and that's very disappointing. Just like my sliders didn't come with instructions. So I'm here to try to help out. I need a louder exhaust so people can actually hear me coming. So this is what it sounds now like. So hopefully when I get done with this, it will sound a lot louder and nicer than that. I will pause a couple times just to get myself situated. I'm not very good with editing or anything like that. I'm your ordinary person just trying to help out. So here we go. I'm gonna pause it right now, and then I'll come back and take that out the package so you can see it and start disassembling this here. And we're back. So this is what the exhaust look like. All right, and then it brings the hardware with it. Now this has a thing that came with it, and I just slipped it on, that rubber part, and then that's so when you clamp the muffler it doesn't scratch it. So you do have to put that rubber part in the inside of that metal bracket. The tools you will need will be a 12mm. We have what is this? Can't even see, sorry. This is a 10mm ratchet, and then I use Allen wrenches, and they're gonna be the same. It's either a 4mm or a 5/32. I'm just showing you both, but it's whichever one. You only need one or the other. Okay. So, and then you're also gonna need your Phillips screwdriver. Okay. Come over here. There's a tight squeeze here, so first thing I'm gonna do is I am gonna loosen this bolt here. Take this out. Not on there tight. Okay, so I'm just gonna loosen that, and then if you look down here, you have a hose clamp. You will just use your Phillips to unscrew that. Okay. So that's loose. This part. Screw that. I'll keep my hardware just in case. You never know. You might want to keep it, and just in case. So this slides off up. It has that little hook there that hooks to that clamp. All right. So you can get rid of that there. Like I said, hold on to your hardware. I'll just put mine over here so I don't lose it. Then we have one bolt here, which is the 10mm, and then we have another clamp there which is your 12 millimeter. So I'm gonna loosen this one up. You have a bolt there. I don't know if you might have to hold it in order to loosen it. So see if I can do it by hand here. Yeah, it's coming out. So it just has the bolt, and then I'm not gonna push it through yet. I'm not taking it out yet. I'm gonna loosen this one, which is my 12. Oh, sorry. Duh. I gotta change the socket. Okay. Okay, that was pretty simple. That came off quick. So and that's just another with a bolt back there. I don't know if you can see it. I think it has a, that bolt's actually stuck. Okay, so that one, the bolt back there is actually welded to that pipe. So I'm just gonna spread it open a little bit. Get it out. Push this pipe out. Let me take this screw out of here. And hopefully it'll slide off. It's spinning. Sorry, I have one hand. There you go. This is pretty heavy too. It is way heavier than the one I'm gonna put on. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna pause it for a second and get the other one on there, and then I can show you how to do the rest. Okay, so I slipped everything on. I didn't tighten it. So the one I took off of here, which was the 10 millimeter, to tighten it, you're still gonna use either 10 millimeter, and when I did put it on there, it was like a little loose, so instead I'm gonna use a 3/8 to tighten that up. I still have to put the clamps here, the little springs, which brought the hardware, so I had to attach this to this, and I'll do it with the camera off because I need both of my hands. So I'm going to use the clamp that came with it, and I took that one out. Now for the hardware that it came to put up here, it came with this, but I actually think this bolt is better than that. It's much fatter, so I'm going to use the stock one instead. So I'm going to keep that the same. I'm just going to save this because for whatever. So I'm just going to tighten it up now. I don't know if I need both my hands for this. So I'm pretty all the way. There I go again. Gotta first put this one on there. All right. Now, I'm not going to tighten it too hard because that other one wasn't really on there hard. It was just, you know, clamped on there. I'm not going to use a lot of strength. So once I see that it's starting to get hard, I think That's good. Let's switch out. Put it on. Put back my 12. Now this might take a little bit because you see how that is bent there. So see how it's turning. Probably gonna have to hold. Oh wait, it's giving. That's the pressure. It's holding that nut. Yeah, now it's spinning. So I'm gonna have to get a another ratchet and put on that side. Unfortunately, I can't record it because I only got one hand. So I'm gonna tighten it up with holding it with either adjustable wrench or put another ratchet on that side, and I'll be back. All right. So I tightened it up. That's what it looks like. There's a little gap there, but it's on there tight. It doesn't move. Plus I put them 2 clamps there, the 2 springs. You see that? Put one there, and I put one there. I needed both of my hands, so I used a vice grip. What I did was, on each one, I pinched the bottom of it, hooked that one up first. I put that on there. I grabbed the bottom and I stretched it. I made sure this was tight though, because on one of them it went flying. So make sure it's tight. So I pulled it and then I just let it go. These are moving. I don't know if they're gonna rattle. I hope they don't. If they do, I'm gonna have to take them out. So I'll tighten that, put those 2 on there. Seems to be on there tight. Also, this has a muffled, so if you want to take it out, you can take it out here with you gotta get an Allen wrench, I guess. And I'll take it out in a minute, but first I want to see what it sounds like with it on. So here we go. I'm gonna take that muffle out and see what it sounds with it off. I hope. Let me see if it's the same size as that other ones. And yes, it is. So let me take it out. See what it sounds like. It's pretty loud with it on, so I might just put it back on. But let me see what it sounds with it off. Hope it's, maybe it's hot, so I'm gonna just use this to pull it out. See that? Ooh, that's smoking too. Look at that. Let's see what this bad boy sounds like. Man, I don't know, man. On or off, it sounds beautiful. Yeah, that thing's smoking. Woo, that sounds nice. I don't know if it's supposed to be smoking like that, but alright guys, there you have it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe. I do different things, and souping up this bike is some of it. So thanks for watching.